Is your DISM Restore Health command using? In this quick guide, I will walk you through the exact steps to get it working again. The DISM tool is used to repair Windows system images, but sometimes it gets stuck and won't move forward. This typically happens due to background services not running properly. So what you have to do is first close out any command prompt window you currently have open. Then go to the Start menu, search for CMD. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now you'll need to type in these command prompts one by one. Net space start bits. Then press Enter. Type in next command prompt, net space start DOSVC. Then hit Enter. Then type in next command prompt, net start USOSVC. Likewise, next command prompt, net start trusted installer. Likewise, the last command prompt, net start WASRP and hit Enter. These commands start essentially Windows update and maintenance services that the DISM tool relies on. Once those are running, go ahead and rerun your DISM command. DISM space slash online space slash cleanup image space slash restore health. If everything went well, the scan should now complete successfully without getting stuck. If it's still stuck, try pressing the escape key twice while the scan is running. This has helped some users force the scan to continue without restoring the whole process. And that's it. If this helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.